Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make your Roblox website look better. First, let's dive into Roblox's own settings. Head over to your account settings, usually found by clicking the gear icon. Here, you can often find options to tweak your display, like changing themes or adjusting color schemes. These small adjustments can make a big difference, giving your page a fresh, personalized feel without needing any external tools. It's a quick and easy way to start customizing your experience. Next, let's personalize your profile page to truly make it yours. A custom banner and a unique avatar can significantly enhance its visual appeal. Spend some time in the avatar editor. There are thousands of combinations to create a character that truly represents you. Don't forget to update your profile description with engaging text. These elements are often the first things visitors see, so making them visually appealing and informative can leave a great impression. For even more advanced customization, consider using browser extensions. Tools like Stylish or BT Roblox offer incredible flexibility. These extensions allow you to apply custom CSS themes, completely transforming the look and feel of the Roblox website. You can browse through thousands of user-created themes, or if you're feeling creative, even design your own. It's a powerful way to achieve a truly unique and personalized browsing experience, giving you control over almost every visual element. Finally, let's talk about optimizing for performance, which also contributes to a better-looking site. Always keep your web browser updated to its latest version. This ensures the best rendering of web pages. Regularly clearing your browser's cache and cookies can significantly improve loading times and overall responsiveness. A faster, smoother experience inherently feels better. Also, a stable and quick internet connection, ideally with at least 25 megabits per second download speed, will make your Roblox browsing much more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.